Discover a world of creative tasks, fun investigation, and exciting experiments. Welcome to English Code, a 7-level English primary course that develops students' coding mindset by teaching life skills, all combined into a syllabus that includes built-in STEAM, which nurtures learners' curiosity about the world around them. All taught with interactive experiment lab lessons, which motivate students to learn, understand, and collaborate. A coding mindset teaches students to think creatively and critically about their use of language. It encourages experimentation and resilience, while teaching students teamwork. Coding in Practice, Code Crackers, introduces students to this way of thinking and encourages creative problem solving. Prepare your students with the skills that will help them face future challenges. Explore and learn through fun and engaging activities that build on communication, critical thinking, and collaboration skills. English Code, using coding mindset to support creative English language learning.